Hey people, so it's been such a long time since I've done a whole review type of these little videos. So I have to say, this book, as tacky as it looks, it's called World Famous Ghosts, and honestly the printing is not anything to write home about. I mean, no, that's what it's mostly in a very children's book format, except that the writing is stellar. It is really good and it will give you goosebumps. But that's what, like any book brought out by Pustak Mahal, it is got that very childlike, it. I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. I found it in one of these pavement shops near ISKCON, Sikandrabad. But really, people, world famous ghosts. Once you read it, you will get to know about these very eerie ghost stories that have taken place in London and in certain places. And I have this my little smart young man with me. Hi, and he's also now wanting to make nice videos, and he wanted to find out. He wanted to ask you all how did you all like his videos that he posted. So we'll on the rabbits, yeah, and we'll keep making more such videos. So Ayush,
Tell if you like the rabbit CC camera
camera,
1 or else rabbit CC camera 2.
correct, and switch on the fan also, Ayush. So really, so people, and then I will catch you all in my next review where I will actually review another of these shows in that on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.